If you want a regular object to glow and basically scream, "Pick me," you can add a glow effect using post-processing. Any item that has emission enabled in its material can glow. First, go to Package Manager and install post-processing. Then, select your main camera, add component, post-processing layer. In the layer field, choose which layer should glow. Let's create a new layer called Glow and assign it here. Next, create an empty game object in the scene. Add post-processing volume to it. Enable is global. Create a new prefab. Inside the profile, add effect, bloom. Open the bloom setting and adjust intensity threshold. Don't forget to assign the same glow layer here, the same one we gave to the camera. Set the intensity to something like 10 so the glow is clearly visible. Finally, go to your item's material, for example the apple, and enable emission. Basically, every object with emission turned on will glow. You can tweak the emission color and intensity, and for even better results, use an emission texture to make only specific parts glow.